Weather Service in League City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for South Central Montgomery County in southeastern Texas, Northwestern Harris County in southeastern Texas, until 7:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:01 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near the Woodlands, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Southeastern Conroe, Tomball, the Woodlands, Oak Ridge North, Shenandoah, Woodloch, the Woodlands, Pavillion, and Chateau Woods. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.